In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing. Step 1, you need to choose your niche. So there are 3 big niches online: wealth, health, and relationship. Why those 3 niches? Well, in the wealth niche, everybody wants to get rich. Health niche, everybody wants to get a good body and a fit life. And dating and relationship, every human being on this planet, wants to have a good relationship, right? So if you have picked your niche, the next step is step 2, find affiliate programs to join. There are thousands of affiliate programs which you can join. But what is most important is that you pick the right one with high ticket affiliate marketing. I've written down Legendary Marketer. That is one that pays you $1,000 per commission. ClickBank is a marketplace with various products which you can choose of in different niches. Warrior Plus, exactly the same, and JVZoo, also a marketplace where you can find different products. Let me show you what Legendary Marketer is. First of all, if you have your leads go through Legendary Marketer, they need to finish a challenge. And every single day you're gonna unlock a day and where you will be teaching how to build a business with high ticket affiliate marketing. So the first video is the number 1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. And the second video is the core 4 top high ticket business models online. As you can see, I'm also a member and I've already unlocked those 15 days. So if you want to learn exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing, I recommend to you get started with Legendary Marketer. It's the easiest way to start an online business. You don't need to have products of your own, so you don't need to create a course and think about creating a course. If you want to get started, under this video you will see a link, and if you click on the link you will land on my landing page. And this is also step 3, creating a landing page and collect email addresses. You can create a landing page with ClickFunnels, and if you want to send emails, you can use either GetResponse or Aweber. Very user-friendly software. Step 4, so if you have created your landing page, if you have created your email sequence, and I will show you in another video, not this one. This one is an overview about how to get started with affiliate marketing. And the next step is drive traffic. You can drive traffic on 2 different ways, either paid or organic. If you use paid traffic, you can search for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and you can go to Google for ads, Bing ads, and there's also solo ads. Solo ads is specifically for the make money online niche. There are thousands and thousands of people worldwide who got their own email list, and there you can buy 200, 100 clicks, 1,000 clicks for a certain amount of money, and those people are sending traffic directly to your landing page. You can also do it on organic way. So you can use your Facebook page or Facebook group, Instagram page, or your YouTube channel, TikTok, and blogging. I recommend to pick one platform, so you focus on one paid platform and one free platform, either Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, or just only YouTube, especially if you are just getting started. I got my own Instagram, as you can see, got 30k followers. So I use my own Instagram as a traffic generation platform. And also I'm creating YouTube videos as for traffic generation, right? So if you want to get started with an affiliate marketing business, click on the link underneath this video, fill in your email address, and watch the presentation on the next page. Thank you for watching. See ya.